speaking test 3. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Good, what's your name?
My name is Pinky.
Hello, Pinky. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm happy.
And what food do you like?
I like chicken.
Where are you from?
I am from the
Good, and what colors do you like?
I like pink.
Do you like red?
Yes, I do.
Is this red? Yes or no? Yes. Good. What letter is it?
Let's eat some. Let's eat some. Let's all some.
Good. What color is letter M?
Let's eat some.
And what color? What color is letter M? It's
Orange.
Alright, is it orange? Okay. Looks orange or yellow, correct? Yes. And what letter is it?
Let's eat some. Let's eat some. Let's kill some.
Very good. Now, look and see the word that has sound.
Mountain.
Mountain. What do you see?
I see rainbow.
I see a rainbow. Can you tell Teacher Red, what is your favorite color in the rainbow?
Red.
Oh, you like red. Good. And what do you see?
I see blue.
A plane. Look and see the word that has sound.
Orange.
Orange. Good. Do you like oranges?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Good. What do you see?
I see fish.
Do you like fish?
No. Yes, I do.
And what can fish do?
I swim.
Alright, the fish can swim. Okay, the fish can swim.
Yes.
Alright, and what about
Popcorn.
popcorn? And what number is it?
9.
Number 9. And what do you see?
Also,
I see a fox.
I see a fox.
Good job. Do you like foxes?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. Look and say the word that has sound.
Robot.
Robot. Good. Do you like robots?
No, I don't.
And what do you see?
That is some map.
Map. Good job. Now, Teacher Red has got a big picture, okay? So tell me, what do you see?
I see monkey.
A monkey. Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. And what's this?
It's a book.
This one. It's a
It's a
nest.
nest.
And how many eggs are there in the nest?
2 nests.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Alright, there are 2 eggs.
There are 2 eggs.
Good. And is this an ostrich?
Yeah.
Yes. What's the leading letter?
It's also.
Ostrich letter.
It's also a ostrich.
What do you see?
I see little piece of panda.
A panda. What color is it?
It's
It's white,
white. It's
black.
black.
Say, it's white and black.
This white and black.
Very good, Pinky. Now, what's this?
It's a rose.
Do you like roses?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. And that concludes our speaking test. Goodbye.
But